Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to remove pimples and patch in faces from Photoshop. Like this picture to like this picture. Let's go to video. Now you can see I have opened my picture. First we have to take a duplicate layer of this layer. So that press control button and J button. You can see there's a duplicate layer. And after we have to zoom this picture. And after that we have to choose healing tool. From right click on there you can choose healing tool. Now you have to choose a find page on the face and press ALT button and left click on your mouse. Now you have to set their mode to normal. Now you have to click on the pimples and patch on this face. Then you can see these are removing. From this button you can increase the size of the tool. From this button you can decrease the size of the tool. Then you can see pimples and patches are removing. Now let's see the difference of previous one and now one. Now you can see there's a big difference. I hope to make more Photoshop tutorials. So keep subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.